Hi everyone, I want to say it again because it's in my head. Love is in the air and love is everywhere. It's nearly Valentine's Day and I wanted to share something with you that's not rose based, but something a little shabby chic, something with a few orchids in it. And we've got these lovely Vanda orchids here at Prestige Botanicals, which I absolutely love. And who said you have to give roses for Valentine's? I say with the shortage of flowers, it doesn't matter. I also wanted something that you could put on your countertop or at the entrance of your home. You might like to put it onto a coffee table, or you just might want to have something that you can just put into your bathroom so that you can just enjoy. So I've got this trough here that I've paint finished with a little bit of chalk paint, and then I've waxed it to finish it off. I've also got this lovely love ceramic that I want to incorporate it into it. So it can be for Valentine's Day, or it could just be for all year round. That's what I love about this type of designing. Into here I've put some grey foam. The reason I've used the grey foam is because I'm using all artificials, or as I like to call them now, forever flowers. So just put your foam into your container and wedge it in quite firmly. Now with your orchids, what's lovely about these is, look at those lovely little roots that they've got in there. I just love those. So it's just going to be a matter of pushing these down in a line along your container and having those roots all sort of falling over, because that's a little bit of texture that's just going to add to its authenticity. And then with that, I've got a little bit of moss that I'm just going to lay in and along. Oh, it's a bit messy, this stuff. In and along to cover up the workings, because the grey foam, don't forget, is just one of those little mediums that we use to hold our flowers in place. If you didn't have any of this, you could perhaps use some pebbles, or you might have some wood bark. Whatever you've got that will just cover those workings is all you need to worry about. Now, the next thing is with your love, because it is Valentine's Day, that can just be poked in and through there like that, so you've got a little bit of love over there and a little bit of love over there. Now I think that this is a design that you boys can do for your love this Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day, lots of love from me, and I will see you all again another day.